Hello darlings, for today's video I'm creating a Mardi Gras inspired look. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Ash Brown. Once I've filled them in, I'm brushing the hairs upwards and carving out the bottom edge to make them look more defined using the PLouise base in shade 0.5, which I'm also applying all over my eyelids. Now I'm placing a piece of tape at the outer corner of both of my eyes and dipping into the Juvias Place Warrior 3 palette. I'm picking up the yellow shade called Nzinga using the Sigma E33 brush and sweeping this through my crease so that it's quite high on my eyelid and almost touches my eyebrow. Once I'm happy with the color payoff, I'm grabbing the green shade called Maasai. I'm applying this to my crease using the Luoci 121 brush. I'm using small circular and windshield wiper motions to blend this, keeping it beneath the yellow shade. Now I'm taking the purple shade called Candace and applying this beneath the green so that it rounds throughout the crease and fills in the outer and inner corners of the eyelid. Once everything is blended, I'm cutting the crease. I'm going for a halo eye look, so I'm just cutting out the center of the lid using the PLouise base and Morphe JH42 brush. Now that I've created a blank slate for myself, I'm filling in that area. First, I'm starting with the purple on the outer edges, and then I'm adding the green on either side, and finally the yellow in the middle. Now I'm removing the tape to reveal a nice sharp line and starting on face makeup. I'm applying the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer as well as the foundation in the shade 20N and the concealer in shade 10N. I'm setting underneath my eyes with the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder, and then I'm contouring with the Juvias Place Bronze Duo Palette in Light. Using both of the contour shades, I'm chiseling my cheekbones and adding depth and dimension to my forehead, jawline, and nose. Next, I'm bronzing in the same spots with the Ofra Americano bronzer. I'm also highlighting with the shades Space Baby and Glazed Donut from the Ofra nikkietutorials Highlighting Trio palette and mixing a little bit of the yellow shadow from my inner corner highlight. For blush, I'm applying the shade Candy Apple from the Ofra Cosmetics Charm Your Cheeks palette. After I've set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, I'm setting my brows with the NYX Control Freak Brow Gel and finishing up the eyes. For my bottom lash line, I'm once again applying the purple, green, and yellow shades in a halo effect to match my eyelids, and then I'm curling my lashes and applying the Urban Decay Wild Lash Mascara. Next, I'm applying the Visofree lashes in the style E1 from AliExpress. Then I'm tightlining with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0 and applying mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm applying the Nova Beauty lipstick in the shade Royalty, which is a deep purple color. And that completes this Mardi Gras look. Let me know if you like to go to Mardi Gras parades in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!